Hello friend, this video shows the 8 sets of oil sludge pyrolysis plant running site installed by DOING Company. At present, the oil sludge treatment pyrolysis plant has passed the acceptance inspection and produces oil smoothly. Next, let's have a brief learning of the design of these pyrolysis plants. First, the interior of the pyrolysis reactor is customized with stainless steel, which effectively prevents cooking and sticking to the wall and extends the life of the reactor. Second, the inner wall of reactor is welded with scrapers and a sludge decomposition device to ensure that the oil sludge is heated evenly and reduces adhesion to the inner wall, ensuring that the pyrolysis process is safer, more stable, and more efficient. For more details, welcome to contact us. Our sales manager can share the customized scheme for you based on your situation.